Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shimmery and Glittery. Don't you think unique packing makes your gift extra special? Today I'm going to show you how to make this stylish bag from a chart paper. Let's get started. I'll be using this as the reference for the size of the gift bag. You can take the gift you want to pack and accordingly measure the paper 3 times in length and width should be 2 inch extra wide than the gift to be packed. Now cut the chart paper. This is perfect. Now to make the sides of this elegant gifting bag, I'll be using cardboard. I'm going in for the elongated shape at the top end and flat at the bottom. Any other shape can be made according to your preference. Remember to keep the length 1 inch longer and width 2 inch broader in accordance to the thickness of the gift so that it fits in comfortably. Cut the cardboard according to the shape drawn. I'm pasting 2 pieces of cardboard together to give a little sturdiness to the bag so that it can hold the gift. Now cut the similar dimension from glitter sheet and chart paper. The side of the cardboard having glitter sheet will form the outer side and the side to which chart paper is pasted will form the inner side of the red elegant bag. Cut off the extra edges from the cardboard. In the similar way, prepare the other side of the bag too. We have to paste it like this on the chart paper, for which I'll be using double tape. We'll not be covering the elongated part so that we are able to open the bag to insert the gift easily. Snip off the tape a little across the midway on the other side. Prepare the other piece accordingly. Measuring from the flat side of the cardboard, fold it crease to mark the bottom of the bag. To cover the open edge of the cardboard, I'll be using golden lace. I'll be pasting it with the help of double tape. Since the tape is broader than the lace, I'm snipping off the extra edge. Prepare the other one similarly. Peel off the paper from the tape and paste the pieces on each side of the chart paper, adjacent to the base mark. Carefully fold the paper and stick it to the tape and gently give it the shape of the bag. After leaving 3 inches from the top, you can give any shape to the lower end of the flap. I'm using a narrow strip from glitter sheet to hold the flap. I'll be securing this with a double tape. An additional piece of double tape on the edge would give it a lift, and the flap can slide in smoothly. Fold and make a crease so that the flap stays in the shape of the bag. Now comes the decoration part. I'll be pasting half-cut beads. You can glue stones or anything of your choice. Our elegant gifting pack is almost ready, but for the decoration, don't forget to give a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe for more updates. It's almost done. A bow made of golden lace will enhance the beauty of the bag. I'll secure it with a double tape. For the sling of the bag, I'll be using golden lace again. I'm fixing it with a double tape. This tape less visible, I'm again going to paste a triangular piece of double tape which has 3 beads fixed on it. It will add to the beauty too. Can't wait to slide the gift in. We can add a bead to the bow too. And another one to hide the visible bit of double tape under the book. Happy gifting with shimmery and glittery. Like the video, remember to hit the thumbs up. Your comments and suggestions are always welcome. Do remember to subscribe for more updates. Thank you.